Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 5, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. First grade and second grade, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, third row, fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Third row, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third row and fourth row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 6. 8th grade, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. 6th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 9, 6, 1. Column I, we have 9 and 6. So 9 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 1. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. Column I, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B and 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row, we have 5 and 6. 5 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then sixth grade, only one number remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then column J, only one number remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Fourth grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Fourth row, we have 6. Sorry, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.